Feeling sluggish, bloated, or just off? Your liver might be waving a white flag, and you don't even know it. You see, this one hard-working organ filters out toxins, balances your hormones, and keeps your metabolism in check. But in today's world of ultra-processed food, stress, and daily medications, it's constantly under attack. Today, we'll reveal the habits quietly overloading your liver, and how to fix them naturally. Hi, welcome back to Healscape BDS, where we deliver real health, real science, and real results. In this video, we're diving deep into how your daily habits may be overwhelming your liver, without you even realizing it. We'll also give you simple, proven changes that support liver health. No gimmicks, no fads. Let's get started. What the liver really does. Before we get into the habits, let's take a second to understand what your liver actually does, and why it matters so much. Your liver is your body's main detoxification system. It processes medications, alcohol, chemicals from food, metabolic waste. It also stores energy, regulates hormones, processes fats, produces bile for digestion, and helps with immune function. It's working 24/7, and unlike your phone, it doesn't come with a charger. That means if you're overwhelming it day after day, things start to go wrong. Habit number 1, excess sugar. You might think of sugar as a threat to your waistline, but it's your liver that takes the biggest hit. The liver processes excess sugar, especially fructose. When there's too much, it turns it into fat, which can lead to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. And here's the scary part. Over 1 in 3 US adults already have some degree of fatty liver, and many don't even know it. Watch out for sugary drinks, flavored yogurts, energy bars, packaged snacks. Swap in whole fruits, water with lemon, or unsweetened tea to ease the burden on your liver. Habit number 2, alcohol. Let's talk about alcohol. Even if you're not a heavy drinker, moderate drinking can strain your liver, especially when combined with other toxins. Alcohol causes inflammation and fat accumulation in the liver. Over time, this leads to alcoholic fatty liver disease, cirrhosis, or worse. If you're drinking more than 1 drink per day, women, or 2 men, your liver is already under pressure. Try dry weeks or alcohol-free alternatives like kombucha, sparkling water with herbs, or mocktails. Habit number 3, over-the-counter meds. You might not realize it, but many common over-the-counter medications can harm your liver, especially when taken regularly. Top offenders: acetaminophen, Tylenol, NSAIDs like ibuprofen, antacids with aluminum. Taking these often or in high doses, especially alongside alcohol, forces the liver to work harder. Acetaminophen is the leading cause of acute liver failure in the US. Always follow dosage instructions, and consider natural alternatives when possible, like ginger for inflammation or magnesium for headaches. Habit number 4, too many processed foods. Ultra-processed foods are full of preservatives, emulsifiers, and artificial ingredients that your body doesn't recognize, but your liver still has to filter. These include microwave meals, chips and cookies, frozen fast foods, artificial sweeteners and additives. Every bite requires detoxification, draining your liver's energy. Tip: eat whole foods 80% of the time. If it has more than 5 ingredients you can't pronounce, it's likely a liver stressor. Habit number 5, sedentary lifestyle. Surprised? Sitting too much directly affects liver health. Physical activity helps your liver metabolize fats and improve insulin sensitivity. Without it, fat accumulates, especially in the liver. Try walking 30 minutes a day, even split into 10-minute sessions. It's one of the easiest and most protective habits for your liver. The signs your liver is overworked. Here are the silent signs your liver might be struggling: chronic fatigue, brain fog, bloating or indigestion, yellowish skin or eyes, jaundice, itchy skin or dark urine, hormonal imbalance like irregular cycles or low libido, easy bruising or slow healing. If you notice several of these, don't panic, but take it as a wake-up call. How to support your liver naturally. Let's fix it. Here's how to show your liver some love. Drink water with lemon. Hydration supports detox. Eat cruciferous veggies like broccoli, kale, and Brussels sprouts. They boost detox enzymes. Take milk thistle or dandelion root with a doctor's okay. Both support liver repair. Get enough sleep. The liver regenerates while you rest. Cut alcohol and sugar at least 5 days a week to give your liver a break. These habits don't require a detox tea or expensive cleanse, just real, sustainable support. Your liver does everything to keep you alive, vibrant, and functioning. But most people don't even think about it until something goes wrong. Start protecting yours now, one habit at a time. Drop a comment below. Which of these liver habits are you guilty of? And what are you ready to change? Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every morning right here on Healscape BDS, designed for your real health journey.